Right now, the mobile app economy is worth $600 billion. The AI industry is worth $1.8 trillion. What if you could tap into both of those markets starting today with zero coding skills? There's a brand new tool that lets you build and sell professional AI-powered apps by literally sending a text message on your phone. No developers, no design skills, no technical experience required. Building a custom app the traditional way costs between $10,000 and $50,000. Most entrepreneurs and small business owners simply cannot afford that kind of upfront investment just to test an idea. Even hiring a freelance developer on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can cost thousands of dollars. Worse, you wait weeks or months with no guarantee the final product will actually work the way you need. The demand for AI-powered tools is exploding right now. Your potential clients are desperate for AI solutions, but you have been locked out because the development process was too expensive and too complicated. Drag and drop app builders sound easy in theory, but they still require hours of learning, clunky interfaces, and monthly hosting fees that eat into your profits before you even make your first sale. Most no-code platforms produce generic-looking apps that scream template. Your clients can tell the difference, and they are not willing to pay premium prices for something that looks cheap and cookie-cutter. In the AI world, speed is everything. While you are spending weeks figuring out complicated software, your competitors are already launching their apps, signing clients, and grabbing market share in your niche. Every single day you wait is a day someone else is selling AI solutions to the exact clients you should be working with. The window of opportunity is open right now, but it will not stay open forever. Maybe you have tried hiring developers overseas, only to deal with miscommunication, missed deadlines, and a final product that looks nothing like what you asked for. It is frustrating and expensive. Maybe you have tried other app builders that promise simplicity, but still required a steep learning curve, monthly subscriptions, and separate hosting costs. Those tools were never designed for people who just want results fast. There is a brand new platform called SnapAppAI that changes everything. It is the world's first AI-powered app builder that works through an intelligent agent. You just send it a text command and it builds your app. SnapAppAI was created by Dr. Amit Parikh and Atul Parikh, two of the top-ranked software creators on JVZoo. This platform uses GPT-4 Turbo to generate code, design, and logic for you instantly. With SnapAppAI, you can build a fully functional AI application by sending one text message through Telegram on your phone. No complex dashboards, no debugging, no waiting. Your app is ready in under 60 seconds. You can create AI apps like relationship coaches, meal planners, lead generation tools, and gift recommendation engines. There are over 30 done-for-you templates based on trending categories people are actively searching for. Every app you build is fully hosted on secure cloud servers at no extra cost to you. You never have to worry about setting up servers, paying monthly hosting fees, or handling any technical maintenance whatsoever. Every app you create with SnapAppAI is 100% white label. You add your own logo, use your own custom domain, and present it to clients as your proprietary technology. They will never know how you built it. Owning branded AI software gives you instant authority and credibility. You are not just another freelancer, you are a tech partner. That positioning lets you charge premium prices between $900 and $3,000 per project. You can sell your AI apps as one-time projects or charge clients a monthly subscription fee. Since SnapApp's AI handles all the hosting, your overhead is basically zero. Almost every dollar of recurring revenue is pure profit. SnapApp's AI supports over 80 languages, so you can create apps for non-English speaking markets where competition is dramatically lower. That means more untapped clients and higher profit margins for your agency. Customizing your apps is as easy as having a conversation. Want to change the color scheme, add a feature, or modify the text? Just tell the AI agent what you want, and it updates your app in real time. Every app you build can include built-in lead capture forms connected to your favorite autoresponders and CRMs. Your apps do not just look impressive, they actively generate leads and grow your email list on autopilot. Beta testers and early adopters are already reporting incredible results with SnapApp's AI. Agency owners say the white-labeled apps look and feel like premium software that would normally cost thousands of dollars to develop. Users consistently highlight the Telegram command feature as a game changer. It removes the psychological barrier of staring at a blank design canvas. People describe their first experience as genuine shock at how fast functional apps appear. The 30-plus done-for-you templates are not generic filler. They are based on trending app categories that real people are actively searching for right now on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Google. A single client sale at even $997 pays for the entire SnapApp's AI software more than 20 times over. That kind of return on investment is almost unheard of in this space. Here is exactly what you get with SnapApp's AI today. You get the full cloud-based platform, the AI agent builder, over 30 done-for-you templates, white label capability, built-in hosting, and multilingual support for over 80 languages. You also get a commercial license included from day one. That means you have the legal right to build and sell unlimited AI apps to clients immediately. No upgrade required, no extra fees, no restrictions. On top of the core platform, you get fast action bonuses, including live training sessions, a complete command arsenal, and a full monetization roadmap so you know exactly how to land your first paying clients. SnapApp's AI is available right now for a small, one-time investment. There are no monthly fees during the launch period. Compare that to traditional app development that costs tens of thousands of dollars, or other builders that charge you every single month. If you want the complete experience with zero limits, there is a bundle deal available right now at a massive 75% discount. Use coupon code EARLY100 at checkout for an instant $100 off the bundle price. This launch pricing will not last. The price of SnapApp's AI is going up, and the exclusive bonuses, including the free commercial license, could disappear at any time. Once launch week ends, these deals are gone for good. The AI gold rush is happening right now in 2025. Every day you wait is a day your competitors are building apps, signing clients, and claiming the market share that could have been yours. Timing matters. Click the link below this video to grab SnapApp's AI right now and build your first professional AI app in 60 seconds. It is time to stop consuming AI and start profiting from it. If you have any questions at all about SnapApp's AI, just type them into the chat below and I will answer them for you personally right now. I am here to help you make the right decision today.